What's up, B-boys and B-girls? In this case, the B stands for Bitcoin, or we can use E for Ethereum. Just whatever floats your boat. The markets fell a little bit today. I walk away from my computer and then this happens. Not a big deal. There's no news about this, so there's no like FUD or anything, I don't think. There's no reason for it, just that it broke resistance, some key resistance, and some weak hands got shook out. I'd show the Bitcoin chart, but it looks almost exactly the same. So if we drill down to the hourly, okay, you can see a sharp sell-off there, breaking this trend line. So what I typically do when that happens, when it breaks the trend line, like I always say, it'll deviate from the trend line, it'll snap back, it'll deviate and snap back. And these are good times to buy. Better times to buy is when it breaks and catches on something. But if you go back, you can see, I'll usually, when it breaks through, I'll look back in time and I'll see if I can build another trend line, which you really can't. There's really nothing there. This was the main trend line here. So what we do then is that we look at the horizontal resistance points or support points, like here, this area here, which it broke that. But then if you move it down, you've got one here, these little resistance points where it'll sometimes catch. Now these are just psychological points on the graph that people see and they say, oh, it's not going to go anymore. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. And sooner or later a consensus builds and it'll start to form a floor, which this one being the last one. If it breaks this, then we can drop pretty considerably. Well, there's some resistance down here, some support I should say. So I mean, if you're long cryptocurrency, then it shouldn't really bother you. If you want to trade it, there's some things you can do, like you can go over to CoinMarketCap, and if you see Bitcoin and Ethereum actually fell a little more than Bitcoin, but EOS really got beat up. So, and I'm holding EOS, I'm holding some Bitcoin, I'm holding some Ethereum, some Omise Go, and some other stuff. So one way to play this is look for something that got beat up more, right? So EOS got beat up a little more, right? And pick up some more if you like it. Like I like EOS. I want to accumulate more. So instead of adding new money or throwing new money in, what I'll do is I'll take from something that wasn't beat up. In this case, I'll take some Bitcoin funds and use that to buy EOS, with the idea being that when they come back, EOS is probably going to come raging back because it's a great project. It really got beat up a lot for no good reason that I could see. So that's the idea there. So that's probably what I'm going to do. And yeah, that's it. So here's the EOS chart. You can see it dipped, but this candle's starting to fill back up. So the bulls are pulling it back up, which is a good sign that this is just a temporary shakeout. So we'll just have to see how it plays out. But that's what I'm going to do. Yep, that's it. Happy trading. Stay profitable, my friends. See you next time. Peace.